Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, how are you today?
I am Ahmad Aziz. People used to call me Aziz.
Hope you are all in a good condition. I'm going to share with all of you here about Islamic boarding school in Indonesia, caring for national and preventing radicals. This article was conducted by Lena Selvia and Sunarso. Okay, now let's get into the presentation. First, we go to the introduction. So, this library research departs from any sector of research where first negative judgment about pesantren, the strengthening of the Islamic movement after the fall of repressive regime of the order. For Jan media coverage related to the attitude of the Indonesian people who are intolerant towards other religious people. The pressing of the mass media related to radical security that grew and developed in Islamic boarding school. Then the facts in the field actually show that however there are some scholars who say that the existence of Kiai and Pesantren is precisely the guardian of the archipelag's cultural heritage. So research is very important considering that some acts of terror were carried out by irresponsible parties and had a wrong understanding regarding the religion of Islam. Based on the introduction that I explained before, the research question are first, how is the process of education in Islamic boarding school? Second, is radicalism taught in the learning system in Islamic boarding school? Second, is radicalism taught in the learning system in Islamic boarding school? Third, does pesantren teach tolerance in religion? Fourth, how are the values of nationalism transformed into Islamic boarding school? Next, let's jump to discussion. So, this session will be split into 4 topics. Number 1, figure of cleric. The existence of Islamic boarding school cannot be separated from the figure of Kiai. Number 2, position of Kiai. The position of Kiai, the pesantren, was like a king with independent authority and power. Number 3, absolute role of Kiai. The absolute role of Kiai in Islamic boarding school comes from its main rules as teacher, owners, and founders of Islamic boarding school. Number 4, curriculum in pesantren. Therefore, the curriculum in pesantren highly correlated on the values, religious understanding, and view of life tactic on a kiai. Next, I am going to talk about radicalism in Islamic boarding school. Negative opinion: Islamic boarding school material prioritize religious education, aims to educate moral and ethics of each student. But some ordinary people consider the education that prioritize religious is always essential with radicalism. The fact in present, but actually the case in the many pesantren actively rejects and oppose radicalism by building an anti-radical spirit, even actively campaign against an anti-radicalism and terrorism. Next, I am going to talk about nationalist values in Islamic boarding school. Number 1, the development of love for the homeland values can be seen in the history lesson related to Islamic leader fighting for independence. Number 2, through intracurricular and extracurricular that emphasizes the aspect of habitation and the provision of equality to all santri, especially to love their own country. Number 3, carried out by the manager by urging the concern of the santri towards their country. For example, by teaching santri regarding political development in history. Number 4, took the role of religious teacher in facilitating and motivating the santri to study nationalism through various activities like holding discussion and consultation and participation in school activity and to instill and develop the values of nationals. Next, I'm going to talk about tolerant education in Islamic boarding school. Islamic education in pesantren seeks to instill values of tolerance, mutual respect, develop discipline, and course that are cultivated through various activities carried out by pesantren. The various pesantren teaching are expected to be able to shape the character of the santri, to live side by side and mutually respect all human and God character. Now we come to the conclusion. So the conclusion is that various forms of terror and radical action are not always related to the existence of Islamic boarding school. The research concludes instead of teaching radicalism and rhetoric, pesantren actually instill values of nationalism, mutual respect, tolerance, etc. Islamic values in Islamic boarding school do not only about religion, but also the development of values of nationalism and values tolerant of various activity or program and